So today I'm going to show you how to connect your microphone to BandLab on PC or laptop, so you can start recording your vocals or instruments without any issues. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is connect your microphone to your PC or laptop. Next, click on the Windows Start menu, then go to Settings, click on the System tab, then select Sound on the left-hand side. Under Input, make sure your microphone is selected as the current device. This step helps confirm that your microphone is currently working and isn't the source of the problem. Then, you can also test your microphone here by speaking into it and checking the input level meter to see if it's picking up the sound. After that, go back to BandLab, click the knob icon next to the microphone input into your track settings. Make sure your microphone is enabled and put a check on the box, allow every visit, so BandLab can access it every time you open the site. And that's it. Now your microphone is properly connected and you're ready to record on your BandLab on your PC or laptop.